Alright, I'm back from my sabbatical, and I have one question for people. Who ordered their omelet extra rare? Now, I do remember there being eggs somewhere around here on video. You can tell that the chickens are actually staff because they had parked their eggs here. So, on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sure. What's gonna happen? Nothing. Nothing? Nothing exciting is going to happen this episode. Nothing at all. You heard it here first, folks. Nothing exciting at all. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Four, 3, 2, 1. All right. 3, 2, 1. All right. Nice. Yeah. Try to get Oh, hey Dad, I found some garbage. There's also a can here. A number?
No. Really? 592.
Way up there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you should have seen us 2 stages.
Okay, Cather. Okay. Continuing is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, that's some weathercock in there.
Yeah, you know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. Go ahead.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
That was
Jerry,
cool.
do you want to check?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it's
Separation.
separated.
Uh-oh. It's up.
Hey, two-piece chicken dinner. Over here on the left end. I'm not gonna catch it. I'm not gonna catch it.
Okay. Frank, okay. Good is good. Sky is clear, range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was good. 2, 1. Ooh, oh, that was good.
It's 400.
Deploy, deploy.
The nose, oh, no, there it goes. Complete separation.
That's a bird.
Well, it's not the
Where'd the rest of it go? Oh boy.
It might be over the building.
Where is it?
just above the mountain.
Yeah, halfway up the college. Sky's clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, look at this massive rocket.
Clear. Sky's clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Oh, it landed upright, you say? Well, you didn't tell me that part. Inquiring minds wish to know.
How I did
Oh, we
this?
got a nose cone. Yeah. How did you do
No,
this?
it was the wadding.
What was your mechanism of
Through
trick-
mass skills.
Mass skills. So, I don't think I'm as quick on the draw as I used to be. Nice. Who's that? Oh, come on, come on.
You missed that tree.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Well, it came out. Just got tangled up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. That's the defective fuse.
Yeah, it's the nozzle.
Alright. 2, 1, 0.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it broke in half.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Dramatic pause. Boy, that was a soft landing.
3, 2, 1.
Disposal.
the hat of death.
Range is clear, sky is clear. Everything is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. He makes it out of one of those post office
cool.
express boxes.